So I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with my Subaru. I have a 2015 Subaru Forester XT, and I'm getting some odd noises when I try to make a left-hand turn, like if I'm doing a U-turn or if I'm backing up and the wheel is turned to the left. I get a lot of popping noises out of the kind of front end of my suspension. I've already changed out the lower control arms and it did not fix the problem. The bushings were bad anyway, so I needed to replace that. So I don't know what it is. I don't know what to look for. I'm new to all this, so I have no idea kind of how to diagnose these things, but I'd like to do it on my own and fix it on my own so that I can learn all this stuff. So if you have any ideas of what it might be, please post it down here, down at the bottom, and let me know what you think it might be. All right, thanks. All right, so you can go ahead. So there was a one pop. So just go ahead and no, because it's done. Like it did its pop. Okay, go ahead. Yep. Cut it hard. Okay. Yeah.
Oh God, it just sounds like the car is breaking.
And then a lot of times with weight shifts.
Yeah, I
so now I put it in reverse and you can hear it pop. Put it in drive and you hear it pop. So here's reverse. And here's drive. Yeah. So if you guys have any idea what's going on, I would love to know, because I have no clue. All right, thanks.